channel. For today's video, I am going to show you how to conceal any dark circles or bags you have underneath your eyes. It's a super quick tutorial on how to do this technique, perfect for a quick makeup throw on before you run out the door. If you're at a stoplight in the car, probably don't recommend that. But anyways, let's get into this tutorial. Please subscribe down below if you haven't already and give this video a big thumbs up and let's get started. All right guys, so let me share with you the two products that you need to color correct any dark circles you may have. This is a super easy tutorial, but it makes a huge difference in how you feel about yourself and how your under eyes look. So the first product is by Benefit and it is their Boing Brightening Concealer. It looks like this. It comes in this little pot. And you're gonna want to get one that is salmon colored. So that's the one I have. I have the lightest shade, number 1, but they have deeper shades, and I believe there might be one lighter than this. Then you'll need a concealer to go on top of this. So this is our color corrector, and then this is going to conceal like over the color corrector. And this will also brighten. So this is by It Cosmetics. It's the Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer, and I have mine in light, and it looks like this. So both of these products you can find at Ulta or Sephora. So they're a little bit more pricey. They're not drugstore, but I do believe they're worth it. I have not been able to find any dupes at like Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, anything like that. So the first, and you just need your fingers. So the first thing we're gonna do is take our Benefit Boing, and I'm just gonna go straight into the pot with my finger and just pick up a little bit of this product. Scoot you back a bit. And I am just gonna place this where I have that blue purple like areas. So for me, that's, if you can see, right on my inner corner here, and then just a little bit underneath my eyes. So I'm gonna put this directly in those areas, and then with the warmth of my finger, I'm just gonna blend it out. Okay, so let me step back a little. You can already see how more like neutral this eye looks compared to this. Like my skin here looks the same. Here there's a definite line of demarcation. So let me go and do the other eye. It's a little harder with my nails done, but we will make it work. And I just bring it in toward like my lid area here just to blend it. I don't really need coverage there, but if you do, you can just apply it there. All right, so once you've color corrected, you can already see like my eyes just look brighter. We're gonna add some more brightness and coverage, and this is the It Cosmetics Under Eye. And I'm gonna do the same a similar technique. I'm just gonna apply a teeny bit to my finger. That's how small you want, just like a very little dot. This stuff is so thick. And then I put it on my other finger and kind of just pounce it and massage it in just because it's so thick. And then I'm gonna tap this underneath my eye on top of anywhere I kind of want more coverage, more brightness. And then I'll blend it downward, because right now we can see we have that line, like you can tell where I have the concealer. So just blend it downward like that. I'm gonna do the other eye. And then I'll just kind of pat this in with my entire hands and just kind of go like this if you're feeling like your line just looks too intense. And then I'll just blend some of the product downward, but not too much where it's like completely concealed. So that is all that you have to do to conceal those dark circles. Mine aren't too bad, so I don't really do this step too often, but I think this is awesome if you're running to work and you just want to feel a little bit more confident and your bags are real, your dark circles are just bad. So this is a great step for those who want a quick fix for under eye darkness, bags, whatever it may be. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Please subscribe down below and check out my other videos I recently posted, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.